finally, we're talking about another diamond miner. So we've gone full circle here, and we're talking about Transhex. Because remember, this one is a company established quite a few decades ago and has principally been an operator in that Northern Cape Orange River mouth area, although they do have operations in Angola. Most recently, though, they have picked up their game a little bit. They're starting to see some fairly decent yields from their mining operations, particularly a mine on the southern bank of the Orange River, close to the mouth, near Alexander Bay, sorry, let me say that more slowly, a mine called Barkin, which is producing some reasonable stones. So it's got a market cap of 360 million rand. So it's small, but you'll be interested to know that today they're out with a trading update, which has elevated their share price by 25%. So maybe those numbers are even like yesterday's numbers, and the market cap is now much larger. That's how it works. Price earnings ratio 2.8, no dividends for a while. Llewellyn Delport's team has been battling to get operations up and running. It's a bit of a marginal player.
It is. I think they did have a special dividend a while ago when they finished the acquisition of the Namaqualand mine from De Beer. But like you say, it's still coming from, from very low base compared to the other players that we were discussing today. They have some interesting mining or mines left, some interesting acquisitions that they focused on over the last while. They've been in existence for many years, so it's not a bad company. They've been profitable, as we said. Diamonds will be in favor. The market isn't flooded by diamonds, so the price aren't influenced.
But it's very variable. Like they had out of Barkin, they had 142 carat stone. They had another 2.7 carat stone that sold for an absolute bomb.
Yes.
But next year they don't find those.
Yes.
So
that's right. So they are a little bit more volatile compared to, or much more volatile compared to a company like De Beers, which own Star or the most amazing mineral or diamond mines in the world.
I mean, if you've looked at the mining operations, De Beers are mining a kimberlite pipe, which is a volcanic pipe. These alluvial diamond mines are those pipes having been washed away down the river, and then the stones having tumbled in amongst all of the rocks in the riverbed as it flows out towards the ocean. And it's people with dustpans and brushes looking for bits of grit in amongst the rock bed. So it's not the same kind of high grade type operations. But every now and then you find a winner.
That's right.
Okay, every now and then you find a winner. Would you be buying Transhex? Are you hot or not on this one? And remember, keep in mind, it's up 25% today.
Exactly.
It was hot yesterday.
I think yesterday I was still hot in it. No, but I won't be hot in it today. I think it's too little and too volatile for me at this stage.
Yeah, my thoughts exactly. So we're not hot on Transhex.